To test your application or output, you click the play button, and then this will appear. Click continue, scan surface. Okay, you have to use your left mouse click to pan left and right. So the dotted means it have detected plane surface. So now you can place any of the object onto the plane surface. You can move the object. You can resize using X on your keyboard and Z. X and Z. Other than that, maybe E for rotating, R, reverse the rotation, E and R for rotating. So you can add multiple object here. So let's say your keyboard doesn't work when you click. What you can do is you can find the input debug window, which is under window, and then you look for debugger. Input debugger. Under analysis input debugger, make sure you right click the keyboard and then right click and then enable this device. Mouse, right click, enable this device. So both keyboard and mouse should be enabled. To stop, you just click the stop button, then it will be looking like this. So this is the play button, and simulation can be done in either game mode or simulator mode. But for the simulator mode, this is a handphone screen. It's not guaranteed to work on the simulator screen. So here it seems like it doesn't work. So we change to build profile and then we'll choose Android. And then you have to change by clicking switch platform. Okay, now it will import some other files. After waiting for a few minutes, then you'll see that Android becomes active. Then you go to player setting here, and we will change this company name. You can put your FCM. Product name is your file name, and then version. Currently, I'm in version 1. Then you can also change the icon. Click select. It have limited set of icon. So if you want to add new icon, you have to close this dialog box and import the new icon from your storage. I'll be using one of these first. Later I can specify my own icon. Okay, so if you don't like this, you can close this dialog box first, close again to import an icon. You go to import new asset. It's under asset, import new asset. Let's say I'm going to use this as an icon. Okay, then okay, once you are done importing, and now go back to the build profile, player setting again. Okay, now you can select the new icon. Okay, so that's the new icon. Next, we will do some other settings. Okay, for here, identification, you see this is the default name, so you untick and then tick again, it will take the latest com FCMC because that's the name of my company. So here I made a mistake, FCM only. Okay, so if you put this as FCM lowercase, it will follow. So you just go to identification here, override default package name, you can untick and then tick again, it will be the latest. Next, I will just proceed to the saving. There's no saving, so once you are done, we can close this. Player setting can add, we can close and then try to publish. Okay, then we are back here. We can click build and see whether we can get the APK build for you. So make sure you know where the APK will be stored here. I'll be saving it here under Unity Imran 2. Okay, the name of APK may be same imran2.apk. Okay, so we'll wait. The compiling includes a lot of processes, so it takes, in my case, more than 4 minutes already, so be patient. Once completed, you get APK file here, imran2.apk. Connect your phone to your PC or laptop and then transfer this file to your phone. So on the right side is my phone. Okay, so this is my phone and I will install it from my phone screen. Okay, now on your handphone, you locate the file that you have copied. In my case, it's under APK folder, APK Unity. Okay, so I got this APK. I just click it. Okay, do you want to install? So this is phone, yeah, in your phone. Install, make sure it is supporting Unity AR. If it doesn't support, it can't run the application. Okay, we will test. Okay, on your phone, it will look like this. Allow while using this app. And then we'll try to scan any plane surface. To scan until you get the white dot, then you can place an object onto the surface. Okay, you can resize the object by pinching and change. Okay, so make sure in your phone you can preview this. Sure you appear in the demo. To update your app, you have to go through the process again. You go back to the Unity Builder and you can actually add more objects. After you add more objects, you can repeat the same procedure, copy the APK file to your phone and then install again and then run again, then you'll get something like this. So every time you change anything, it's better if you can rename your project. For example, here is Imran number 2. Okay, the next time you want to build Imran, maybe you can, before you build, you change the name of the project. Okay, example, if you want to rename your project, is under file, build profile, and then go to player setting again. So the next version, you can rename it to number 3, for example, product name. So your APK will be whatever your name is, number 3. Then you might want to change a different icon if you want, so that every time you improve the project, you know which file to install and which one to run. Okay, thank you.